Aloha everybody and welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 70 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. There are so many things about Hawaii that I really love. One of them is how people in Hawaii express their affection so openly to each other. And one of the most common ways that people express their affection is by giving each other leis. Today is May 1st, and in Hawaii we celebrate it as Lei Day. And we are here in Waikiki in Kapiolani Park, and we're having a Lei Day festival. So there's a lei making contest, which has representatives from all of the different islands, including the kupuna, or the elderly people that we respect and treasure, as well as the keiki, which are the children making their own leis. So when a lei is made, it's really infused not only with the beauty and the aroma of the flowers, but it's also infused with the spirit of aloha, or the love of the person who makes the lei. And then when that love is transferred, when you give the lei to the other person, you carry that spirit of aloha with you. And even now, even in the age of crass commercialism, you can still arrive in Hawaii and your friends, or even your tour operator, if you're on a package, will be at the airport in order to present you with a flower lei. I'm wearing a pikaki lei. It's one of my favorite flowers because it's so beautifully, beautifully scented. So for me, it's a double bonus to wear flowers and get aromatherapy and get the spirit of aloha. So if you're feeling a little lonesome today, or feeling like no one loves you, just remember you're here with Beachwalks with Rocks. Lexi sends her love, and I would like to present you with a lei and give you the sense of aloha. Aloha, everybody.
Dancers, and also our Kaili Pony dancers.
So I'm here with Sharon, Georgina, and Scott, and I wanted to just ask them about what you like about wearing a lei. I mean, some people I think on the mainland might think that only women wear leis, but here in Hawaii men wear them all the time.
I think it's more tradition here. It's more for the atmosphere and everything. It's not bad. I don't think it's feminine or anything. It's just more of a tradition here in Hawaii.
Yeah, it's just what we do, huh?
Yeah.
What about you, Georgina?
I agree with them. It's just what we do here in Hawaii.
Yeah. Any special occasions you give leis to each other on in particular that come to mind?
Friends when they come in.
She just gave these to us.
Oh, really?
I gave them to them for Lay Day,
Great.
and we're going to the concert tonight. So
You'll
Lay Day
be-
is May, and May Day is Lay Day.
Yes, it is. It is. Well, mahalo and aloha.
Aloha